YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unbagging video. Let me grab the bag. So you may have guessed it since you saw the bag. It is a Lululemon unboxing video. So what could be in this bag? Gosh, I don't know. I'm gonna just tear right into it. And then I'm gonna show you the Lululemon belt bags that I have as part of my collection. So in the process of collecting these belt bags, I have discovered that I prefer the large one. And so when I saw this large one pop up for sale, I snagged it. And it's been available a lot lately. So if you like this color, you should definitely jump on it. I was gonna see if it tells me the name of the color. I don't think it does, but it is a really pretty burgundy type color. It's coming off more rusty when I have it up like that. When I pull it back like this is the color. So let me go ahead and I'll snap it. I'll adjust the adjustment, and then I want to show you how I wear these. I adjust these to be almost fully extended, and then I put them across my chest and I wear them just like that. Look, I've got a little visitor there. Do you see her? Oh, she ran away. She's camera shy. But yes, I like wearing them like this, and I love wearing them to basketball games, soccer games, baseball games. And so I've decided for those things where I'm not required to have an item that is smaller than like the palm of my hand, I prefer the large size because I can fit absolutely everything that I normally carry into this little belt bag, believe it or not. Let me grab my other ones just so I can show you. After this video, I'm probably going to be known as the crazy belt bag lady. And yes, I may be crazy, but let me just show you what I've gotten so far. So this is the color Silver Drop. I love this color. I've worn it multiple times. I will tell you that it does spot really easily. I've been able to get it clean, but that's something you have to be aware of if you want to use this. And I did spray it with the Colonel Carbon Pro, and so maybe that's why I was able to get the spots out. I'm not sure, but it is a gorgeous color. I want to say this new one was Merlot, but I'm not sure. And then I have black, and I think this one's called Sage. It's kind of a grayish green, and I love this color too. For the smaller size, I have 3, and I don't think I'll buy any more of these. These are great for when I go to like a KU football game because it's around the size of my hand and they let me bring it into the game. And so for that reason, I'm gonna keep a couple of these because they're so nice to carry to something like that where you want to be hands-free and not like trying to protect your purse the whole time. So I have the burnt caramel, and this almost has like a greenish tinge to it. And then I have the black. This one does look prettier when you're wearing it than it comes off here. I really liked it with my royal blue top with red accents. It looked really pretty with that. The last one I have is my Fleece Belt Bag, and I got this one for basically half off because they gave me a gift card since my order was canceled, but it took weeks to resolve it. They gave me a gift card and it was $30. These are $58, so they're a little more. They're very, very soft. I've never used it. I don't think I need it, but wouldn't this be cute with like the outfit I have on? You know, something that's like real like winter white type thing. And so yeah, I'll keep it. I have a feeling, or I know because my oldest made the basketball team this year, I know that I'll be able to use this a lot when I go to basketball games, and I just might be wearing a really light colored sweater or something pretty like that to wear this bag with. So that is my super quick video on Lululemon and belt bags. I forgot to say I did return my, I think it was petal pink one in the smaller size because like I said, I prefer the bigger size, and I don't see a reason to have more than 3 of the smaller size when I'm only going to use them whenever the facility for the event that I'm going to restricts the size of the item that I can bring in. That's why I'm keeping the small ones. The big ones are definitely my favorite, and I just might pick up another one if I see it in a color I like. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.